Hello everyone, thank you very much for joining me for today's daily snapshot. Today we're going to be looking at the SP500 and a possible pullback and to see how to trade it. But before we do that, please take note of the following important information. Please note that CFDs are high-risk products and that you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Please also realize that this is a general market commentary only and does not constitute investment advice. And finally, these are our sources of information. Now, over the last 30-hour period, the S&P 500 peak to trough has fallen about 3.35%. Now, this as money rotated back into bonds with yields dropping down to 1.46% on the 10-year. And this has put the hourly S&P 500 in a bearish chart pattern. Let's take a look at the hourly Ishimoku. I want to just draw your attention to the fact that the lagging line is below price and below cloud. And that in effect is indicative of a downwards momentum. We can also see that the forward cloud has twisted and is pink in color. Now, what we're looking to see is if there is a pullback and if it goes all the way to this black baseline. If that black baseline doesn't yield, if it holds steady, it may usher in the next impulse move downwards. Let's just end off with some key takeaways. And we're assessing to see if the rotation in the markets continues. If the S&P 500 pulls back to the black baseline, but the baseline holds steady, then it may just be a pullback rather than a trend change. And this may then set up the next impulse move down. I hope you found this snapshot useful. If you did, please click on that subscribe button. Thank you very much for joining me today, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.